Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another high potential airdrop that you should not miss out on, and the project is called Gaya Wallet. This is basically an AI based crypto wallet where you can swap, buy, stake and earn rewards. They have 37,000 followers already and they recently shared lots of updates on their airdrop rewards. Recently, they mentioned that if you miss Jupiter, Hyperliquid or Pengu, then don't miss this one. They also said the Gaya airdrop is now live. They share their airdrop rewards model. Basically, in the app, you can earn XPs and those XPs will convert into Gaya tokens. They also mentioned in another tweet that the Gaya token is confirmed to launch in Q4 with a total supply of 125 million tokens. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description. Open that link and you will find this link. Also, don't forget to use this referral code to start earning. Click this link and you will land on the Play Store. Install the app. After that, open the app. Then click on Get Started. Here, click on Create a new wallet. Then you need to create your PIN. Select your PIN and confirm it again. Then tick here to agree to their terms. And click on Create Wallet. Wait a bit, then click on Start. Click on Start again. And here click on View to see your seed phrases. Copy your seed phrases and don't forget to save them in a secure place. Then click on Next. Here you need to verify using your secret phrases. After verification, you will see a success page like this. Click on Next again. Now you need to set any username you want. After setting your username, check availability. Then click on Register Username. Your wallet is created successfully. Now log in using your PIN code. After landing on this page, click here and it will ask you to enter your invite code. You can use my code. I'll provide the code in the description. After entering the code, click on Submit. Finally, you'll land on the rewards page. Here you will find lots of options such as welcome bonus, on-chain tasks, social tasks, invite code, leaderboard, etc. First, don't forget to claim the welcome bonus. Then click on the on-chain task option. Here you will find two paid tasks. The first one, if you swap $1 worth of tokens, you get 1 XP, so swap as much as you can. The second one, if you purchase $1 worth of crypto in the app, you will get 1.5 XP. Click on the social task options. Here you will find lots of social tasks such as following Instagram, X, Telegram, etc. Make sure to complete them all. In the leaderboard section, you will see your rankings. Also here you will see referrals. Finally, click on the invite option. Here you will find your referral code and referral link which you can share with your friends and social media to boost your points. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.